Right, getting ready to go out detecting tomorrow. I just thought I'd try and show you this machine. It's Dad's old sovereign with a big 15-inch set coil on it. Plus I've got the 8.5 standard coil it came with. And some COS UR30s earphones with all the battery packs and etc. I'm just showing you this because my dad has two machines. He wanted me to have one. I'll show you that one next. But this one he said sell it. I just haven't been able to. But he told me to sell it and give the money to my mum, so that's what I'll have to do. So that's that one. Got this one. It's a brand new Minelab Safari. You didn't use it much and it was brand new. Still got my dad's belt with his pinpointer. Headphones are on there. I think I've got some of them as well. With a big 12-inch Tornado Minelab nail coil, or whatever they call it. Yeah. He made a bungee for it as well. It's a bit heavy. So I look forward to trying that one out. I've got the X-Terra and that's good. And my dad had an X-Terra. He's had all machines in fact, and he prepared this one. He's had E-track. Sorry, the light's not really good. He's had E-tracks, all the Garretts, and he likes this one the best. There's the bungee look what he's made. But that clipped onto his jacket, so I'll have to try and work a way out to use that. So there you go, I thought I'd just show you them. This one's not for sale, this one's for me. I'm showing things. Tom Wood gave us all an idea. Put the towel on the clip. Oh, this is my one. I won it in a YouTube competition from a guy in Holland, I think he is, Netherlands. It just clips on my belt with that clip there. We're going digging on a friend's permission today in sunny Wales. We've gone through a blizzard and now we're on famous, what bridge is it? Britannia Bridge. There's the lifeboat people. And it's still raining, but I've not been out for 2 weeks, so I'm going to enjoy it. See you soon. Well, look at the size of the hole. It was so deep and it's filling up with water. And it's a paw. I've had these before. I think they're off the bottom of furniture and stuff. Little paw. It's slowed down for now raining, but it's been raining pretty heavy. Fields are waterlogged. Just had a buckle. I think it's still got the pin in it. That looks, it's possibly a pin in there. Look at the holes. Well, the rain's got a bit too much for now. So we're just sitting in the van and having a nice cup of tea. Brought the stove today, we've even got bacon and sausages and egg. I think we'll go and have a look at the beach, to be honest. I don't fancy going back out in that, do you, John? We've done 4 hours. Right, we've come to the seaside instead. I think the tide's coming in though. I won't mind doing that beach.
Lovely, isn't it?
Because the tide were out when we came, weren't it? So it must be coming in.
Oh, it's coming in, I think. Yeah, it is.
I've decided to come on the beach. Still raining, but who cares? Nice here. Windy. There's somebody else metal detecting up there as well. Just passing our mate here. He keeps going past us and taking photos of us. So Right, the weather conditions was atrocious. The ground was really waterlogged, so you kept sinking, and your hole was filling up with water as fast as you were digging. So we just had a few hours and then we went to the beach. But I hadn't been out for 2 weeks, so it was just great to be out. I've thrown all my main trash away, but I got 2 buckles. That one's still got the iron pin in it. I found another of them paws. I always find them. I've just been looking for my other ones to show you because I've got all different sizes. I think John's put them in the scrap bucket because I can't find them. I found this little lead one that I found. I got a clog clasp or hasp. Gosh, the light's terrible. This little bit of copper. I don't know if you can see, say something in the middle there. Don't know what it was off. And I found this bit of copper. I thought, well, trash. It's got like a clip on the back, and if you look at the bottom there, you can see a crown there. So I'm not sure what that was off. It's definitely like a clip, but there's bits missing, so I don't know. Just some little buttons. Didn't find anything on the beach, mind. Oh yeah, I found this. Not sure what that's off. Got a flat piece there. So that's it. But I must say, I had a paddle in that sea in my wellies. It was dead clear, lovely. And all we were finding on there were like little bits of aluminium. And I just want to show this for Tom Wood, what he found the other day. Someone gave me that one, Martin from Clodhoppers. That's what you found. A gaming token. It's got exactly the same printage as the half guinea coin. You can get them in a full guinea size too, we've got them as well. And they used to try and pass them off as gold coins as well, as they did in George III days. So that's it for me. So thanks for watching, commenting and subscribing, and bye for now, and best wishes to everybody. Bye for now. Bye.